So sorry for that. So I'm very excited to hear the new music of Inner Voices and be part of their journey. That is super exciting. As you know, Universal Music has a global machinery. We have more than 60 companies across the globe. No? So with that, we can really bring the music not just to Filipino listeners around the world, but definitely also to other markets. And sana ang goal naman parati ng UMG is to shape culture through the power of artistry. And sana madala natin ang tunog at musikang Pilipino with Inner Voices to a global level.
Yeah. As well. So yeah, I don't have any more questions. Now we can make this official and let's sign the contracts, guys. Round of applause, please. And media, please make sure to capture this. This is a very beautiful moment for the Filipino music industry. So yeah, big milestone for UMG and Inner Voices. Okay, so the partnership between Inner Voices and UMG is now official. Congratulations to everyone. Thank you guys. So, ngayon,